your voice is breaking.
Yes, I can hear you. Tell me.
Good morning, sir.
Yes, good morning.
Yes. Sir, it was, hello. It was some, my sister Diti is on call from USA.
Your sister got a call
Diti,
from me.
sir is online. Yes, sir. It was little urgent.
Yes, talk, madam. Tell me, please.
Yes. Hello?
Yeah.
Yeah. I was just getting out of my house. Sorry about that, sir. My question, sir, I had a request. I had anonymous question 2 times in your questionnaire, and you replied me very well. It is my 16-year-old who I was talking about. I had put anonymous because
Can't hear you, madam.
Yeah. It was regarding autistic child. She has, if you know, she had visited in India with you, but now her husband. The problem is her husband. Hello.
Yeah, what's wrong with the husband, madam?
You said, she is thinking that he is trying to abandon her. So, what do you think, sir? It is really a serious issue that whether he is really going to abandon, and the child will suffer a lot. If
Madam, the child has got karma with the father. The child has got karma with the father.
Yes, sir.
The child got karma with the father. Okay?
Yes.
It's the father who should take care of the child. But he should be there. He cannot just walk away like that, but it's not good for the father. Okay? For the karma of the father. Number 1. Energy at the moment that he want to let her go is 10, 20, 30, 40.
1 minute, sir. My audio, your audio is not. 1 second.
What, madam?
1 second, sir.
1 second.
Yes, sir. So, what do you say, sir?
Madam, there's energy of 60%. The husband is planning to leave the family and walk away. 60% energy. 60% energy that he wants to leave and go. Okay?
Yes, then what she should do now?
She should do divine fire, read forgiveness, and do whatever a wife should do for the husband, and talk to him, take him go to the parents' house, do something and make him feel important, that he needs him. Things like that to make him happy, madam.
Yes, she is trying, as you advised, she is trying her best to, but it is looking very difficult. He stays in his own this thing and he doesn't cooperate with her at all. He doesn't take care of the child also.
Yeah, madam. I understand.
So, I want you to, sir, remove the black magic. If he's there, then at least he will think of family.
Hello?
Yes,
Hello?
Yes, sir is advising. Yeah, sir is advising you about taking more, do good about him and take care of him more.
Right.
We have
Sir.
Madam, is there any lady from his family who can talk to your husband? From his own family?
Yes, I talked to them.
No, madam, listen. Is there any lady from his family you can talk, can be an advisor or moral support to him?
His father's sister is the one who is teaching him to get out of the family. My question, sir, is I heard all your questions and all your answers. Thank you for taking my anonymous call because I did not want to put trace so that he'll figure it out that it is me asking that question. That is why I put anonymous. But, sir, he is sleeping on the couch. If I go in the bed, he is not wanting to have physical relations since 4 years. And how can I save this marriage?
How long you're married, madam?
18 years.
18 years, huh? Think of your husband, madam.
Yes.
Okay, madam, I've removed all whatever negative your husband has towards you and the family, madam. Huh? So start doing divine
Thank
fire.
you so
Start
much.
doing divine fire for your husband. Show
I will
show also the affirmation to your daughter.
Son, right? Yes, I will do that.
That's
son.
number one. That's
And
number two.
son,
And very important,
I
very
will do that.
importantly, very important, madam, you must know that the father still has a lot of karma to balance the daughter. In fact, the daughter has come in this lifetime for him.
Son, sir. His son.
it is son, but when you said the same thing in Borival, you are right, sir. He has got lot of karmas with my son to finish it off. And that is why I want him to be in my life and his life. And please try to save my marriage.
Okay, madam. Say my marriage of divine fire. My marriage is the purity God desires. My husband is being a
Okay.
divine fire. My husband start doing all divine fire for all of these things, madam. Okay?
Thank you, sir, so much. And listen, sir, I know you told that you don't ask a question like whether he has any affair or not. But if there is anything, I have not met any lawyer here.
Madam, I
because
don't
of
see
the
any answer
COVID.
for affairs, madam. I don't see any answer for affairs right now.
Oh, thank you so much. That is big relieving. And
It's just his
God
own,
bless
his own
both of
character.
you.
His own character. Somebody, one lady is poisoning his mind.
Yeah, it is father's sister. who
Yeah,
is
do
doing-
divine fire for the lady. No, do page number 7 for the lady, okay?
Okay. Thank you so much, sir. I appreciate your help.
Okay, madam.
Thank you, Didi.
Okay.
Bye.